So here we are today, we're in the historic market town of Reepham. We are outside the King's Arms where we've had permission from the landlord to chuck our magnets down his 16th century well. Haven't we, Leggett?
Yeah, we're pretty excited for this. It's a different scenery, a well. Who knows what we'll find.
So here we are in the middle of the pub. The owner's just taken the broken glass off for us and revealed this huge well in this room, and the deepness is just astonishing, isn't it, Leggett?
It is mad.
But we don't want to hang the phone over. Well, let's go and have a look. Let's have a little bit. You can't even... That is so deep. so deep. We're going to need a lot of rope, but we'll see. Up at the bottom. Yeah. And to be fair, it doesn't feel that muddy.
No, it doesn't.
So,
which is
good.
That brick up, there was nothing on it at all. So, which is probably good. But, yeah, might find an old musket then, I'll say.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Do you want me to pull up now? I've had a dab on the bottom.
Yeah, go on.
You do what you like, chaps. When this place was refurbed about 25 years ago, I don't know if they did anything down here then. Now they discovered the well then. I don't know if they actually did anything with it. I've not seen the guys for a while. There's something on it.
There's something on it. That's a coin, isn't it? That is a coin.
Wow. Yeah, it's probably like, it is probably a coin, isn't it? It needs cleaning up to find out what's on there.
Big time. So
Yeah.
first find a coin and a nail.
Always
It's very
a nail.
apt, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should I go and give it a little rinse off and see if I can find any?
Yeah, that'd be brilliant.
Yeah. I'm gonna lob a coin down there as well myself while I've got it over.
Yeah. That's all for good luck, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Leggett, you'll go.
Alright. So yeah, no matter where you go, rivers, lakes, wells, you'll always find a nail.
Right, Leggett's dabbing on the bottom now. It's hard to actually move it around, isn't it?
It is.
Because this is so long. Nothing that nice. Any markings or anything?
It's unusual size, but it's got a very smooth edge, which suggests it's quite new.
What's good for that, Matty? Coke in it? Coke or lemon juice or something?
Coke or lemon juice, anything acidic.
Yeah.
Although some coin collectors will probably disagree with that.
You wouldn't want to do it to a proper, lovely old coin.
No. No, nothing. So this is our what is this, fourth?
Yeah, fourth.
This is our fourth go down. We've only had a coin and a nail so far. That would be funny if that's the only coin we find the first throw.
Yeah. It's so hard to get around the edges, isn't it?
So
I've got to change the bloody light bulb at some stage. There's a light bulb down there where that lip is.
oh no! How on earth are you going to do that?
Well, I've never done it before, so apparently you can you can hang a ladder from the top and lower it down there, but obviously I don't really fancy that.
I don't want to do that.
No.
What's happened, Leggett?
Stuck on the drain pipe, boy.
There's a drain pipe down there and we're stuck, so the landlord's kindly gone to get us a bit of wood.
And then we'll like...
Yeah, that. Right, so the only thing we've found today is a nail and a euro coin, which we'll show you in a second. But for the people who magnet fish in 1,000 years' time, here's a 10p coin from 2004. So in the year 3004, I hope this hobby is still going, and I hope you find this. So this is the only thing we found today. As we know, the euro was invented in the 1800s, so this is at least 200 years old. But yeah, thanks to whoever threw this down for giving us a bit of content today. And the nail, that blasted nail.
Just put the corner. Alright. On your fingers.
Mine are out.
Yeah, I'll let you know in a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've just finished up at this well in Reepham. We'd like to say thank you so much to Mark at the King's Arms for giving us the opportunity of chucking the magnets down the well. And yeah, ever so happy, aren't we, Leggett?
Yeah, definitely. And if you do get a chance, come have a pint here. It's a great little pub. So yeah, cheers. If you've got a well, give us a bell.
If you are the tenant or an owner of a well, not just any random one, don't bring us to any random well and start letting us chuck magnets down it, then give us a message and we'll come out, won't we, Leggett?
Yeah, we'll come sort it out.